beautiful people, it's Jiya. Welcome back to my channel. And I know that I've been posting after 3 months. So to be honest, I was just busy with all my grade 11 examination and school stuff. Okay, so now I'm free and we're all set to get back on the work. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna do some DIY. Alright, so I bought these a couple of weeks ago and I thought that I should style this classic black stilettos in 2 different ways. So without further ado, here we go. 1 heel, 2 ways. Alright, so all you need is, of course, your heel. Then I got some rhinestones. These are, I guess, 1 meter long. Then I have this piece of, this material is, I guess, something, like a cloth, and then we need some instant glue. Now I'm just gonna get this thing out of it, and I'm gonna remove this buckle. Okay, so now all I need to do is take the measurement of this area. I'm just gonna wrap this thing around. Like this. And then I'm just gonna glue it here. Make sure you don't glue it above the strip because you need this to be removable so that you can wear your heels as they came original. So I've glued this thing over, and now as you can see that I'm just pulling this outside. Now all you need to do is cut the rhinestones and just place them over the strip. And I'm doing that. I'm gonna cut this rhinestone chain, and I'm gonna have 27 rhinestone in the first chain. So there we have it. So here we go. Okay, so this is going to be the longest one, which is going to come in the center, and then I'm gonna decrease 1 rhinestone every time I cut the chain, and then I'm gonna do this for either side, and then it's gonna be like, it's gonna form a triangle after I place them in order. Okay, so now I've cut some of these chains, rhinestone chains, and now I'm just gonna stick them over this. So here we go. This is going to look something like this after we do the whole thing. Alright, so here we go. This was the original one and this is what I made just now. So yeah, it literally took me 1 hour to make this, and I know it's gonna take a lot of patience and hard work, but trust me, the result is worth the job. So now all I'm gonna do is just fit this thing right into it, and then we're ready to go. So for the next look, all you need to do is remove the straps and replace them with a black satin ribbon. This ribbon is 1 meter long. today's video? If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then the link is given below in the description box. So this is it. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, and kisses till next time.